Music is the reflection of discipline and concentration, but many people prefer to just listen to it and not produce it for different situations. There is no excuse for not learning to play any instrument. With these series of applications, you can take advantage of your cell phone to become a musical expert. Musician is a fast and entertaining way to learn to play piano, guitar, bass, or ukulele. It is a personal music teacher that adapts to your rhythm, offers instant commentary, offers step-by-step tutorials working as a game, which becomes challenging and exciting to overcome different levels. Guitar tuner. This application will help you refine your instrument professionally, quickly and intuitively. It also measures speed and teaches you to perform chords with a broad library of scores. It works with all string instruments. Learning to play drums. As the name implies, you can play this instrument either acoustically or electronically. You will also learn all the rhythms through imitation. It has lessons to learn to read and write music. Royal piano teacher. This has learning, play and free practice modes. The app teaches through games and allows you to record and play different melodies interactively. In learning mode, you can learn how to place your fingers on the piano. What are the notes for each position, and at the end of each lesson, you'll know how to read notes and play any song. Music for children. He is a music composer. It also teaches playing instruments, helps to develop imagination and concentration, teaches music notes, and allows you to save all its compositions so it can share them with its contacts. Learning to play easy accordion. An application with lessons, videos and simple notes so you can learn easily. It teaches you minor, major rhythms, speed, tones, among many other practical lessons.